If you're seeing Epic Games error code LS0018, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that can help reset the launcher and get you back into your game. This is a simple, step-by-step method, and it works especially well when the Epic Games launcher is stuck in the background or not starting correctly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes and PC troubleshooting tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, press Ctrl, Shift and S on your keyboard to open the Windows Task Manager. This gives you a fast way to see what's running on your computer and close anything that might be causing the error. Once Task Manager opens, make sure you are on the Processes tab. This is where you can see all the active apps and background processes currently using your system resources. Now look for Epic Games Launcher. If you see it, right-click it and choose End Task. This will force the launcher to close completely. Next, look for EpicWebHelper as well. This process is also tied to the Epic Games launcher, so right-click it and select End Task 2. Ending both processes helps fully reset the launcher and clears out any temporary issues that may be causing error code LS0018. After that, go to your desktop and find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties. This will open the settings for the launcher itself. Now move over to the Compatibility tab. This section contains a few options that can improve how the program runs on Windows. First, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to open properly and avoid access-related problems. Then check the box for Disable Fullscreen optimizations. This can help reduce conflicts when launching games through Epic. Once both options are enabled, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. At this point, the final step is very important. Restart your computer before launching the game again. Restarting helps make sure all the changes take effect and clears out any lingering background issues that Task Manager might not fully remove. After your PC boots back up, open Epic Games Launcher again and try starting the game. In many cases, this simple process can fix error code LS0018 and get everything working normally again. If the error still appears, you may need to check for updates or look into other launcher repair steps, but this method is a great first fix to try. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.